adventures in installing a new jib sail. So, fun times. Let's see how this goes. Here's our setup to hold the sail. Cool. Xander, look up at me. Hey. Adventures in rigging things today.
I may not need to do that because then we can come straight off the boats. We just got to inch this motorboat, the motor dinghy, a little closer.
Yep.
And I think we'll have it right under the. So you guys do that, inch that boat a little closer. I'm going to get out and find my zip ties.
All right. So Timmy, this is your first time on a big boat like this?
Yes.
That's cool. How do you feel?
Feels pretty cool, honestly.
It kind of feels like being a pirate, right?
This is awesome.
Yeah, it's like, oh, I'm on a pirate ship. There you go. Right. So this, as you pull it, it locks.
It's like a ratchet.
Yeah. You look pretty cool, Timmy.
Thank you. On the wire.
It's on the wire.
I know.
Tie a real knot. Don't tie a lot.
Yeah.
The reason you know 7 knots that are famous is to tie and untie. Okay, so watch carefully. Guy Center's lesson on cleaning. You go around the base. What's the word? Around.
Around.
You go across the horns. All right.
Okay.
Around across. Now you make a U shape with your hand, and your fingers are up. You spin, your fingers are down, and you place them on top of the horn, and you pull.
Okay, so it's just, you know, okay,
And
I was always
so like bam, 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 it's done.
Yeah, fast.
Probably,
And then you do it again because you feel so good doing it.
You feel so cool.
Now, when you're fishing Great Britain, they say, now you have tied cleavage. Before, that's an American cleavage. Now it's a British Commonwealth cleavage.
okay.
And they will smile at you and say, yeah, you're right.
So what he's doing right now is spinning that roller furler. So it's gonna wrap the sail around. Yeah.
Okay.
So at the moment I can hold it.
Scooching around.
Yeah, well, I'm holding this sail, so we're gonna move.
Right, that's my sign. I was just making an observation.
My arms only get so long, you know. We're gonna sail a little bit.
The day after I left Beaufort. But yesterday I picked it up.
You picked it up, yeah. Ooh, you good? Okay. This is what the kids get to go on if they come on the Blackbeard Sailing Expedition. It's pretty cool. I would not normally go down this front ways, but so y'all can see what it looks like down here. Very cool. Oh, there is a lot of wood in here. Hello.
Hello.
These are pretty oil lamps.
Oh yeah,
They're gorgeous.
The only one that I really like is this one here. It's it does something funky with the wick. See how it?
Oh yeah.
And it creates suctions with the the air. It makes a column of light. It's pretty nice.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I guess I'm wondering where your helm is. Oh my god.
Yeah.
I would never in my life would have thought that you steer this with that.